Welcome to Inneate Portal's demo. I'll be going through our features of our website and closely look at some of the offerings that we have made available on our website. So there are two parts to this. Right now there's login and register. I'll quickly go through the registration flow. So here we'll register an admin of an organization. So this admin will be in charge of taking care of all the procurement and placing orders, etc. And then we'll register the organization, wherein we take the information of either a hospital or a clinic or a lab or even a distributor or vendor. And then finally we'll add the license details and then we'll register. So I've already registered for this purpose of the demo, registered a hospital, and using that hospital we'll log in. So this is our home page. You can see our categories that we have to offer, and you can either search for products or even manually go through all these categories. So that's product discovery, and then we have our order management, and then we have our admin, and then reports. Let me take you through the product discovery and order placement flow first. I will go to diagnostic consumables, diagnostic kits, and then view a product here. So here we have a product, and as you can see, it has all the details mentioned. It's MRP, its price, and then specifications, etc. I will add this product to cart. I'll go back, I'll add another product to cart. And let's view our cart. So here's our cart. There are 3 steps to this. There's this review step wherein you can change the quantity, you can add an expected date for its delivery, and as soon as you're happy with this, you can select the shipping detail and then proceed to review. Here we have, in a very tabular fashion, the HSN of the product, and then you can quickly review them. So I'm happy with this. I will hit submit. Once I hit submit, the order is placed. Now it's sent for review to the Inneate portal. Right? So I can view the order here. So this is the order that I placed right now. I will quickly go to it. As you can see, we have our products here. Now on the admin portal, the order showed up, and then we check its details, we review it, we're happy with this, and then we hit submit. So once it's submitted, the order showed up in delivery like this. So now it's in our awaiting confirmation, wherein I as a hospital will confirm or decline the terms that the Inneate portal had put up. So I'm happy with this. I see there's an upfront payment, I accept, and I see there's an upfront payment here as well, I accept, and I hit submit. So now, since there was an upfront payment, I will need to make payment for this order. So I'll quickly go here, and then I'll select my payment type. It can be IMPS, credit, or check. For this, I'll just enter a dummy amount of an IMPS. IMPS 123, and I hit submit. And for this as well, IMPS 123. So it could be one transaction that you are showing here. So since it's submitted, I can view its pro forma invoice. I'll quickly download one and show you. Let me quickly open it up. So this is our pro forma invoice. You can see all the billing details and shipping details. You can see the product that you ordered and its other tax summary. So this is our pro forma invoice. Now that the payment is done, the admin can change its order status. So right now we see that we've confirmed that the amount has been credited, so we say order is confirmed, your payment is confirmed, and then when you refresh you can see the order status says it's confirmed. So now I can sit back and relax and wait for the product to be delivered. And on the Inneate portal you can always say order delivered, and then it's done. Once the order is delivered, you can view its final tax invoice, which will be quite similar to the pro forma invoice. Right here, the final tax invoice of RapidKit. And that's all for the order flow. And then apart from order flow, you have your admin controls. You can see your organization details, your address, shipping address. You can add an address. You can see your profile details of the admin. You can set preferences. You can activate or deactivate certain addresses. User accounts is the most important part, wherein you can add more users to your hospital or organization. And reports is an upcoming feature wherein you can see analytics of your orders and all of that. So also we have a small feature called request for quote, wherein you can add a product here in request for quote, and then you'll be able to see its quotation. And then we have our save list, and that's it for the demo. That's all we have. Thank you so much for tuning in.